Same truck.
The
all right, DJ, whenever you're ready.
stock thing right out of the box.
Oh,
I'm gonna get the first scratches out.
There we go.
nice.
My truck, yeah.
Watch your exit. Going to 5, right?
Yeah, 5 down.
Anytime you're at 450.
Those big tires.
Oh, nice.
Nice, big guy. You see that? Rail slide? Yeah, right. He's a Santa Cruz boy. Come on.
That's where I got stuck too.
Roll over. Stay up there. Got 7 here. Roll it out to the highway over here.
Nice.
Straight through bonus.
That bonus one is wicked. Nice, yeah. Got to get that right tire up on there, huh?
Yeah, you gotta get the driver up without getting wedged underneath.
Yeah. 9.
Yeah, that 9 looks deceiving.
Right?
They put you right in that hole real easy.
Yeah. I thought he was going to go over. He seems a little top heavy with them tall tires.
Nice.
Nice.
There you go.